Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Axis Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Axis Bank with a price target of Rs 1470. ROE progression in the near to medium term looks comfortable and the bank is likely to deliver at par with peers. We believe as NIMs and CET1 gap gradually narrow with its core peers, valuation multiples would improve further. Loan growth could be lower and expected to converge with deposit growth if deposit mobilization challenges persist in the near term. However, the bank is confident of growing at over 300 to 400 bips higher than industry over medium to long term. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year and it currently trades at 2.1 times FY25 and 1.8 times FY26 estimated core book value. Next, we have an update on Birlasoft. Our analyst maintains buy on Birlasoft with a price target of Rs 820. As the company is well placed to deliver industry-leading growth, owing to increasing traction in ERP and infra business, the robust deal pipeline and deal ramp-ups, we expect sales and PAT CAGR of 13.1% and 13.7% respectively over FY24 to FY26. At current market price, the stock trades at 29 times its FY25 and 24.5 times its FY26 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.